Hi there. Today we're taking a look at 10 amazing houseboat yacht deals. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to support the channel. Let's get started. Number 1, Baglietto Ischia $80,205, Alicante, Spain. According to the seller, this classic Italian yacht has been used as a floating residence, and it has not sailed for about 5 years. In 2024, it went to dry dock for fresh anti-fouling and new anodes. The engines and generator have not been started in a long time. The air conditioning and many onboard systems are also long idle. Mechanics say the engines look decent on visual inspection, but some cooling lines appear weak. Startup and recommissioning could run several €1,000s per engine. The main fridge is down, a small one in the salon works. The galley ceramic hob and microwave are operational. Accommodations include 3 cabins plus a forward crew cabin, with 2 heads and a separate shower room, storage throughout. Dimensions are about 59.1 foot in length, with a 17.2 foot beam. Headroom is roughly 6.6 foot. The cockpit is spacious for living aboard. The vessel is sold as is. Number 2, Holiday Mansion Coastal, $44,900, Grand Rivers, Kentucky. Seller's description says this 1989 coastal cruiser is a seasoned classic, maintained and recently tuned, ready for comfortable river life. Power comes from twin 454 Chevrolet gas engines with about 1,877 hours, both just serviced. A Westerbeke 8.5 kilowatt gas generator shows about 776 hours with recent service. Convenience features include a 12-volt bow thruster, a 12-volt anchor windlass, 2 King Air Marine air conditioning units, dual VHF radios, a hailer, and 2 stereos. The layout brings a forward cuddy with a queen and a twin plus head and shower, an aft master with its own head and shower, a flybridge with newer enclosure, and fresh laminate flooring through the salon and aft cabin. Bottom paint is new. The boat has been routinely cared for, and it is presented as a solid value to view. Number 3, Gibson 41 Standard, $49,950, Louisville, Kentucky. According to the seller, this 41-foot Gibson has a clean, updated interior with newer flooring and solid exterior decks with no obvious soft spots. The boat has lived on the Ohio River in Louisville since 2000. It is described as a great home away from home, with a layout that works for cruising or dockside stays. Highlights include dual 120-volt and 30-amp shore service, a 12-volt system with interior and navigation lights, multiple bilge pumps and blowers, pressurized hot and cold water, hydraulic steering, and organized instrumentation. Furniture includes a forward L-shaped lounge, a dinette, a full-size aft bed, a dresser in the aft stateroom, and a 6-drawer chest forward. It is ready for showings and its next owner. Number 4, Bertram 42. Motor yacht, $59,999, Harbor Springs, Michigan. Seller's description says this 1977 Bertram brings timeless style, sturdy construction, and comfortable cruising in a classic 42-foot package. The roomy deck spaces suit sunning and alfresco meals, upper and lower helm stations improve control in changing conditions, and the interior offers dedicated staterooms with 2 heads and showers. Comfort gear includes 3-zone air conditioning and heat, salon entertainment, and a pull-out sofa. The galley features a double basin stainless sink, a residential refrigerator, microwave, oven, cooktop, butcher block, and good storage. Electronics list Raytheon radar, Raytheon hybrid touch GPS with chart plotter, 2 ICOM VHF Setrec autopilot, compasses, trim tabs, spotlight control, and more, with both helms equipped. Electrical gear includes a 40-amp charger, 4 batteries, an Onan 6.5 kilowatt generator with about 432 hours, and twin 30-amp shore connections. On deck, you get an aft hardtop, wing doors, a wet bar with sink and ice maker, fender holders, a swim platform with ladder, an anchor with line and chain, and practical access around the boat. Number 5, Gibson Custom Sport 41, $79,900, Portland, Oregon. According to the seller, this 2001 Gibson Custom 41 Sport is set up for river cruising and entertaining, with twin GM 6.5 diesel power, a 7.5 kilowatt diesel generator, and 2 reverse cycle air conditioning units rated at 30,000 BTU each. All new electronics include GPS, autopilot, and sonar, with dual helms for flexible operation. Inside you will find a large master with a queen bed, a hide-a-bed in the salon, and a full-size head with vacuum flush and shower. The galley carries a full-size fridge, range with oven, microwave, and a double sink, while a big custom sound system and a flat-screen television add downtime fun. A windlass helps with anchoring, a new full topside enclosure adds year-round utility, and there is generous topside space to lounge, entertain, and enjoy the view. Number 6. Holiday Mansion Barracuda, $69,900, Vancouver, Washington. Seller's notes say this refit, 1988 Barracuda. 36 FD blends, floating condo comfort with Columbia River capability, moored at Steamboat Landing Marina with Liveaboard friendly policies. The boat measures about 39 foot long, 12 foot wide with a shallow draft around 2 foot 6 inch. Riding on a stable cathedral fiberglass hull around 16,000 pounds. Power is a Volvo Penta V8 gasoline engine rated about 271 horsepower with roughly 496 hours. Supported by a Kohler gas generator with about 148 hours, dual 125 volt and 30 amp shore inlets, and a 12 volt DC system. The bright interior offers a full beam salon with panoramic windows, a convertible sofa bed, a U-shaped galley, a convertible dinette, a private twin berth stateroom, and a rare soaking tub and shower combo in the head. Dual helm stations, a Raymarine depth and fish finder, reverse cycle heat and air, LED lighting, and updated flooring round out the comforts. Outside, you get a flybridge with seating and bimini, an aft deck with a stainless grille and easy dock access, wide side decks, non-skid surfaces, and forward seating. Notable upgrades include 2 professional refits, latest in 2020, new flybridge canvas and cushions, electrical and mechanical updates, modern interior finishes, and a dinghy with outboard included. The current slip is about $695 per month, plus about $225 for liveaboard status, subject to marina rules and availability. Number 7. Gibson 44, $72,000, Gilbertsville, Kentucky. According to the seller, this 1994 44-foot Gibson is turnkey with a transferable slip at Kentucky Dam Marina pending approval, comfortable accommodations, and reliable systems. Power comes from Twin Crusader 454 engines, showing about 730 hours, plus a Kohler generator around 1,600 hours. The bottom was just done in 2024, and there is a recent on-water survey with an overall rating reported as 8 out of 10. Nice touches include a Garmin GPS unit at the upper helm, a refrigerator replaced in 2024, new batteries in 2024, and a rear bimini replaced in July 2025. The layout supports entertaining or extended stays aboard in classic Gibson fashion. Number 8. Chris Craft Aqua Home, $21,000, Vonore, Tennessee. Seller's description says this 1971 Aqua Home is a roomy platform for a floating guest house, an Airbnb-style stay, a workshop, or creative projects, with a slip available and marina policy allowing limited nights aboard each week. The remodel is described as quality work, the engine bays are dry, and the heavy 70s fiberglass has added reinforcement. The manufacturer listed length was 51 foot with a swim platform. It currently measures about 46 to 47 foot long and roughly 16 foot wide. Original Mercury 327 engines show about 1,141 and 1,352 hours, both not running. Rebuilds are possible, or the seller notes they may have standalone value as untouched cores. The large engine bay invites repower ideas or alternative uses, and a recent survey is available. The seller is open to trades or structured payments with a strong down payment subject to terms. Number 9. Gibson 47 Executive, $89,900, Kuttawa, Kentucky. According to the seller, this 1998 Gibson 47 Executive is freshwater only, well equipped and ideal for long weekends or extended cruising. Power is by Crusader 454 V80S with about 1,126 hours, supported by a Westerbecky generator around 1,892 hours. Navigation includes dual Garmin GPS map, 4,212 units at both helms, radar, and a Maxwell windlass for easy anchoring. Comforts include rooftop air conditioning units, a washer and dryer combo, an extra queen hide, a bed sofa, and a full aft deck cover. A new water heater arrived in 2024, and a professional ceramic coating was applied in 2025, reported at over $6,000. Specifications list an overall length about 47 foot, a 14-foot beam, and a 3-foot draft, with fuel around 238 gallons, water about 95 gallons, and a 95-gallon holding tank. The salon is bright with large windows. The galley carries a full-size refrigerator and stove. The stateroom has ample storage, and the exterior offers generous deck space with dual helms for easy handling. Number 10. Gibson Sports Series, $34,900, New Orleans, Louisiana. Seller's notes say this 1989 Gibson 37 Sport has been architect-owned and restored with custom woodwork, upgraded countertops, layout improvements, and a fresh texture finish on the exterior decks. New canvas and outside cushions arrived in 2024. A newer Westerbeke 6.5 kilowatt generator is installed, and the original engines and V-drives were replaced in 2012 with light use since. The boat features dual drive stations, professionally serviced engines and generator, and electric hydraulic engine access. Inside, you get spacious custom counters, a stove, microwave, fridge, stainless sink, a dinette lounge, a TV, custom fitted blinds, and a lower helm. Aft, the master has a desk and work area, drawers and cabinets with a mini fridge, a closet, and a head with sink, toilet, and shower. Decks include a forward bench with storage and a 4-person table, an aft area with seating, a swim platform and ladder, and a large open top deck with dinghy storage and a lift crane. The upper helm has built-in sofa seating with new cushions and a large folding bimini. A slip may be available with marina approval, and the seller notes a price reduction for motivated sale. That would be it for this episode. Please leave a like and subscribe for more. See ya.